and it reads, given an integer array, return true if 3 consecutive odd numbers are in the array, otherwise return false. What the problem is essentially saying is that you have to have 3 odd numbers in a row to return a true. If there are not 3 odd numbers in a row, you return a false. In this one, you can see there aren't 3 odd numbers in a row. In this one, you can see 5, 7, and 23, 3 odd numbers in a row, so you return a true. So I'm going to explain the algorithm I made before I did this, before I go through it. So essentially what this algorithm I created is going to do is, it's going to do through each individual number. It's going to check if a number is odd. If a number is odd, then you're going to increment a counter by 1. Then if another odd number is found, you're going to increment it by 2, etc, etc. But let's say you have the counter is at 2, and then the next number in the array is like an even number. Then you're going to reset the counter to a 0 because you haven't found 3 odd numbers in a row. So you're just going to reset the counter for it to start over again. Then you're going to go to the next number and repeat the same process. So as you can see here, I created a counter and a for loop. And the way I check if a number is odd is by modding the number at an index. Modding a number at an index by 2. If the result is not a 0 when you mod it by 2, then it's an odd number, and then you increment the count. And if that's not the case, you reset the counter to a 0. And after each loop, after both of these checks, you're going to check if the count is 3, because the count is going to increase each time. So let's say in this example you have a 2, 4, 5, and a 3. So let's say you get to a 5, the count is incremented by 1. So is the count 3? No. So you're going to continue the loop. You're going to go to the next number, which is a 3, and that's going to make the counter a 2. Is the count equals to 3? No. So you're going to go to the 1. And in this instance, the count's going to increment. And is the count 3? Yes. So you return a true. And in that case, you return a true. In a case where false is returned is this example here, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2. As you can see, there are no 3 odd numbers in a row. So if true isn't returned in this for loop, which ends here, you're going to return a false at the end of the loop, algorithm, sorry. Yeah, that's how I solve the problem. Let me just submit it. And yeah, it's pretty fast. 100 ms, 99.71 memory usage. So I hope that was helpful, and peace.